The town of Erie is making strides in sustainability with the help of 2 new e-cargo bikes, funded through a state pilot grant. The bikes are now in use by staff across several departments, replacing short car trips and offering a cleaner, more efficient way to travel between town facilities.
The Colorado Energy Office wanted to do some pilot funding for the use of e-cargo bikes to see how that would work. And so the town applied for funding and we were approved. We got just under $9,000 to purchase 2 e-cargo bikes, and then we're reporting back to the Colorado Energy Office on how we use them, how often, just collecting some metrics for the pilot.
The motivation behind applying for a grant was driven by a simple goal: reduce vehicle use and emissions while improving operations.
We were looking at ways to be more sustainable. The town has several buildings close but not walking distance. So we actually did a study. One person whose office is mainly in the Laws Service Center, with the trips that he made on a regular basis to the other 4 buildings, we were looking at about 1,375 miles a year. So we thought, well, if we could replace cars with e-bikes or e-cargo bikes, that would move us toward our sustainability goals. That was just one person. So when we got 2 bikes, we got the funding for 2 e-cargo bikes, then other departments and people started getting involved, say, hey, we could use this for trail maintenance. We could take our tools. Hey, we could use this for the rec center running back and forth to the camps. So we think we're going to save a lot more than that per year.
And the impact may go beyond town staff.
We're hoping it will both decrease our use of fossil fuels and also encourage residents who see the bikes to think, oh, maybe we could get in on that.
Cycle Erie, the local bike shop where the town purchased the bikes, says they're built for efficiency and ease.
So these bikes are class 1, so this is going to go up to 20 miles an hour. And then in our eco mode on our 20-mile-an-hour bikes, we have a range of approximately 55 miles. Real world will probably be closer to 60.
And for residents considering an e-bike, there's an extra perk.
The town of Erie generously provides $100 off of your water bill for each purchase of an e-bike. It's a great opportunity to come buy an e-bike and save on your water bill as well.
For the town of Erie, it's one small ride with big potential.
For Parks and Recreation, of course we film videos in parks. Just kidding, it's not that kind of video. Hey, what's up, Erie? I'm Luke Bollinger. I'm the Director of Parks and Recreation. Since 1985, communities across the country have been celebrating Park and Recreation Month each July. This year marks 40 years of honoring those who make our communities more connected, healthier, and more fun.
Play is for everyone, and our goal is to provide something for everyone somewhere in Erie's parks, open space, and trail system.
We create programs that bring people together.
We support wellness, connection, and belonging.
This year's theme, Build Together, Play Together, celebrates the staff, volunteers, and community members who make it all happen every day.
Thanks for being part of the story, Erie. Let's keep building and playing together.
When it comes to shaping a more sustainable future in Erie, one group is leading the charge, the Sustainability Advisory Board.
My name is Karen Winkler, and I'm the chairperson of the Sustainability Advisory Board.
Karen's passion for sustainability started with small changes at home, but quickly grew into something more.
When the Sustainability Advisory Board needed some members, I thought, what better way to help get familiar with the town of Erie's sustainability programs and see if I can make a greater impact and just bring that education and awareness to the community. Some of the initiatives that we have, mostly they revolve around water conservation, energy efficiency, waste diversion, and just promoting and maintaining the natural resources that the town has.
One unique project already making an impact, a map of local pollinator gardens, many of them water-wise.
Another pollinator initiative we have is Erie's Buzzing Gardens, which is a pollinator map that showcases the town-owned properties and community-submitted gardens. A lot of those pollinator gardens are also water-wise, so it gives us an opportunity to promote water conservation and get a little bit more information out there on the many different water efficiency and turf replacement rebates the town has.
And with statewide recycling reform on the way, the board is preparing to help residents understand what's changing.
Another consideration that's looming on the horizon is Colorado's Extended Producer Responsibility Program, otherwise known as EPR. And EPR is really going to drastically change recycling in the community. It's very exciting in that it's going to save a lot of money for residents and also for the town.
To learn more about Erie's sustainability efforts or apply to serve, visit erieco.gov/sustainability.